Jain class 7th. How are you friends? Hope you are fine. Students, today in the computer class, I want to teach you how you just understand the structure of an HTML. Okay, the structure of an HTML, because you know very well when you not understand the structure of an HTML, then maximum confusion is there how we just create the HTML document to view that one page in a web browser. Hope you and everyone know what is HTML. Used to, if you know, then write on the comment box what is HTML. Okay, and after that you just write some supporting tags. It means what is the tags and how many type of tags and definition of them. Those are tags. Okay, so that one thing you just mention in the comment box. And today's topic about this structure of an HTML. Okay, structure of HTML document. Students, before knowing structure of HTML document, I want to revise some tags. Those are important for creating the things. Okay, firstly, you know, when you just start the creating of web page, then you should be use HTML tag. Okay, firstly, when you just start the creating of HTML page, then you just firstly use HTML tag. Second one, when you just go to define, the header, then you just use to head. Okay, head tag. And after that, when you just go to give the name of that web page, so you just use the title. Okay, when you just create the property in the channel, after that you have to use the body tag, then you just create some material from this item. Okay, suppose that in the web page you want to write the tables, then you just go in the body section and write your tables. Okay, and after that you just close all the tags. So these are some important tags. I think that one tags I revised in the previous classes. Now you just see how you just make, okay, how you just create a HTML document. What is the necessary terms? Okay, firstly, you just open the Notepad application. Okay, because it is an editor. यही वो एडिटर एप्लीकेशन है जिसके अंतर्गत आप अपने HTML वेब पेज को बना पाते हैं. ठीक है, अगर ये एडिटर ना रहे तो आप वेब पेज क्रिएट नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, सेकंड टर्म क्या जाता है, आप जैसे ही इसको ओपन कर देते हैं तो आपके सामने एक पेज खुल जाता है नोटपैड का, जिसके अंतर्गत आपको अपने टैग्स लिखने होते हैं. तो सबसे पहला जो टैग्स होता है वो आप अगर डिफाइन करते हैं, ठीक है, इस तरह से डॉक टाइप HTML, तो ये जो निर्धारित करता है कि आपका जो HTML है वो लेटेस्ट वर्जन है, लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ HTML. ठीक है, लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ HTML डॉक टाइप निर्धारित करता है. नेक्स्ट, योर बॉडी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम HTML. सबसे पहले टैग आपका क्या होना चाहिए, HTML. मैंने बताया था HTML टैग we have to use to starting the when you just create a web page. After that you just write the body head. After that you just write the head. In the head you just write the title, and in the title you just write the page name, my first page. My first page. Close the title and close the head. Both you just close. Title you close and head. Both you just close. Then start your body. Okay. Start your body, and in this body you just write your content. This is my first web page. It is your content, and after that you just close that body. You just close that HTML. Okay, so these are some terms, you have to close it. So it is a structure of HTML document. Hope you understand. Okay, firstly I again revise. Firstly you is starting the term of HTML tag. If you not write that, doesn't matter, but you just write the HTML first. After that write your head after that title, and after that you just write your text title name, my first page. This is your title name of page. Then title close, head close. After that body start. In this body you have to write your matter, and after that you just close the body, close the HTML. Okay. These are all the necessary terms. So here is the important tags are head after HTML, head, title and body. Okay, these are four are really important tags. Okay, hope you like this video. Okay, if you have any types of question, then you just write in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.